3, 2, 1, start!
Especially English. I joined English class with him, I think twice in Siem Reap before he left here.
And actually, now you
And
finish, you graduate your university
yeah, just last month.
last month, recently. What university you study there?
Actually, its name is University of South Asia. In short, UC.
UC.
Yep, University in Siem Reap.
Yes, I see. That friend from UC in Phnom Penh. UC in Phnom Penh,
Yeah.
University of Cambodia.
It's only UNC.
Yeah, correct. I talk about the University of Southeast Asia. Yes, Saudi Asia. Correct. Make sure your majors is what you want. What your major you study?
That's all.
Also finish, take for bachelor degree and finish take for master degree.
Oh, that is good for me. And what is your idea? If those who finish in TESOL, which degree that they should pursue after bachelor degree? Should they change or keep at the same majors?
I think if you like to improve your ability in educational field, you can continue another one master degree related to educational program. Like you graduated from TEFL, am I right? TEFL or TESOL?
TESOL.
Oh,
I
TESOL.
think it is TESOL.
Yeah, TEFL, teaching English as a foreign language. Am I right?
Yeah. For that
Yeah.
one, yeah. You're right.
I also graduated this field, these majors, and
Yeah.
then I continue master degree with TESOL. I think good, linked together, not very much difference.
Mhm.
If you like education, I think you should go straight with these majors and continue your master with this field, education. Or you want to change, you can change. You can continue your master, different field, different from education. You can find another major linked to business. Yeah, if you think about the job opportunity for the future, example, when you have a plan to leave from Mangkut and then you want to find one more majors, you can find or continue your master with another field. It's still good. Yeah, you can pursue your master degree, business or education or IO, international relations. Yeah, some other. It sounds good, I think. I love education, teaching major, teaching careers. So this major is suitable for me. I can say it
Yeah.
good, yes, because I love teaching. My life should be a teacher.
Like
I
for
do
me
not.
too, like yeah.
This
I'm a
job,
senior for my next.
you love teaching, or the other major or the other job you dream for future. What type of job you want to be?
I think like teaching is one of my most favorite work that I want, and I think I love education as well.
Wish you.
But since I started teaching for these 2 months, I feel like I I feel like teaching is not really what I want. I feel something in teaching.
So now you start teaching.
Yeah, at one school, but it is NGO organization.
Very good. NGO organization is the first step to improve our skill and also got good experience.
Yeah,
Non-organization.
non-profit organization.
Yeah, non-profit organization. NGO.
I feel like teaching is not really my
It's not
whatever.
really yours.
I feel something.
I think it's okay because it just the first step you are standing on. So the
Maybe.
experience it's like a new path to walk on. Yes. I can say a sentence to you. Working actually based on our passion as well. If
Yeah.
you don't have your own passion to do that, you will not enjoy with that. But if you have your own passion to do, you can enjoy with your work.
Yeah.
So
Like,
yeah, so when we work, not try to make everyone study with us to enjoy, but we ourselves should make ourselves to enjoy with our work as well.
mhm.
Yes. Find your passion, find your own passions. To be a teacher, not to be a wealthy man. You understand?
Yes. Yeah.
If you want to be a millionaire, you do business. But if you want to have
What about
people,
teachers? What have to call teachers?
you want to have people, yeah, to be teachers. Of course, people think of money. We do something, we need money. But when you work as a teacher, don't think too much about money. The value runs to us when we make the value for ourselves. You want to be a millionaire?
I used to think that.
Businessman.
Yeah, but actually, I may not good at that because in terms of speaking, communication skill is not really good with me. So I want to do business. Maybe it is none of my business. It's still teaching. I love teaching. I love to work with people, especially
Okay.
children.
Yeah. Have people is the work that we must know how to sacrifice.
Yeah,
You want to be a millionaire businessman, know how to know how to collect money. I
maybe
understand.
next time, maybe.
Okay. So if you want to become a millionaire, you can continue your master related to business majors.
Okay.
I myself never think of that. Just think how to make everyone, the student that study with me, can get something what I can share. So just feel enough for what I have.
Yeah, that's good. You think so?
Honestly, I also think of my, I can say my demand. Okay, we can talk about salary. We can talk about the benefit. What we should get from our activity or our sacrifice sharings. When we think too much about that, we can lose our value. Yeah, life is so short. I cannot hold all of things when I say goodbye. I say goodbye from this world. Good morning, Bong Pat.
Morning, yeah, morning.
Good morning. Yes. See you. Nice to see you. Only two this morning? Only two?
I guess so. Maybe.
Yeah, I think maybe two.
And then two, I will leave 11.
You leave at 11, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
for
for
my
lunch, for lunch. I know.
yeah.
Yes. I think it is time we can start to understand, something a bit with pronoun. When about part, can we start?
Yeah, can.
Can we start? You can call your friend to join. Okay. So I think, yeah, we can talk something about pronoun before lunch times. You see this file I sent in the group? You check it or not? But Uncle, what do you understand about pronoun?